So your question on discussion board, you want to factor completely. So you're given this expression. First thing you want to do is identify the greatest common factor. So I look at the numbers 14, 28, and 35. What's the biggest number to go into all three of those with a remainder of 0? Well, 7. And then they all have an A, B, and C in common. Just how many is the only question. Well, this one has 3, 4, and 5. You always pick out the smallest number, which was 3. 1B, 2 B's, and 1 B. So the smallest number is 1. C's, you got 1, 3, and 5. So you pick out the smallest number of A, B, or C. You just want 1. Now you want to write this GCF and then figure out what's multiplies times it to give you this expression. Well, 7 times 2 will give you 14, and this accounts for the A, B, and C here. Then 7 times 4 will give you 28. You're pulling out 3 A's, you'll have 1 left over. You're pulling out 1 B, it's B squared, you'll have 1 left over. And you're pulling out 1 C, and so you have 2 left over. And you minus, it's a minus sign here, 7 times 5 will give you 35. You're pulling out 3 A's, it'll leave you with 2. You got 1 B, you're pulling it out, leave you with none. You have 5 C's, you're pulling out 1, leave you 4. So then you take the GCF here, you write it down in quantity, then you have the 2 plus the 4A B C squared minus the 5A squared C fourth. Hope this helps.